Good morning, everybody. We are on a beautiful morning walk with my friend Shawnee and Depjai, of course, trusty dog. It's a gorgeous morning. Wouldn't you say?
It's beautiful.
Gorgeous, darling.
It's lovely, darling.
Lovely. So I wanted to tell Shawnee about what I think about the safety down here, because one of her friends told her that it might be dangerous. So what I have noticed, because I've been coming down here for a few months now, and sometimes it's like really early and kind of dark, and every once in a while I'll come across a homeless person or somebody that might be camped out under the bridge. But other than that, I don't see anybody down here except for people that are exercising. And the amount of women that I see down here are many, and they are very often on their own, jogging through the forest, walking through the forest, walking their dogs, all kinds of stuff. And so I don't think it's unsafe. I've not come across anything that would make me feel that it would be unsafe. And even when I saw, like coyotes and stuff, I mean, they're so skittish and so afraid that they won't even get anywhere near you. And that's with a dog or without a dog. I've seen them, how they react to other people that don't have dogs. So if you,
Well, that's good to know.
yeah, so if you're inclined to get out and do some exercises, these trails down around where Montano and the bridge are really, really nice, both directions, and I think very safe. And you can get miles in. Okay, I'll check in with you in a bit. Shawnee and I were just talking about high blood pressure, and that one of the reasons why she started taking her health seriously and exercise seriously is because she got diagnosed with high blood pressure. And I have high blood pressure that I inherited. One other wonderful thing I inherited from my family. I wish it was money instead of high blood pressure. Can I have just a few million, please? But yeah, exercising really helps lower your blood pressure, burn off cholesterol. As she said, lower your stress level. And it most certainly does. Makes you smile. I mean, how can you look at that view of that trail and not smile? That's gorgeous. Gorgeous! Oh my God, Brenda, did you see that view? Pull out my Jewish girl. Oh my God, Brenda. Did you see the size of her butt?
A Jewish girl from New York.
Yes, from Brooklyn. Oh, God, it's pretty down here. And the chamisa is blooming. Look at that. My goodness. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous, gorgeous.
It's like butter.
I was gonna say that.
It's like butter. Oh. I think I've taken these before, but these are like little huts. Oh, she took pictures last time.
Yeah, we came from this way.
So these are little huts. I don't know what you do with them, but they're pretty cool. That's how you know you're amongst the Aboriginal tribes. They're here. They're watching.
The eyes boys are watching.
There's somewhere in the trees. So we're almost to 3 miles. We're actually probably at 2.5.
Woohoo, go us.
And then when we hit 3, we get to turn around and head back. That will be awesome. Because I am really enjoying this. Have a beautiful day, everybody.
Ta-ta.
So here we are down at the swing spot.
I haven't swung in forever.
You're a little girl again. I know. What is that? We were just talking about turning back time and that she's going to sing karaoke tonight and sing, "If I Could Turn Back Time." And now she's a little girl again. Swinging. Do you remember that country song? Just a swinging.
I don't.
Something's coming down the river.
Sing it.
I don't know. I was a kid when it was. I'll have to look it up. It is so pretty today.
It's gorgeous.
Except for the smoke. But I'll take it. I'll take what I get. I'll be thankful. Sweet Jesus, thank you so much. All right. Just thought I'd show this spot.
I think it's perfect.
It's a very nice spot.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.